All right, friends, we've got 3 hours in Animal Kingdom. My magic band is charged up, and we're on a mission. Fine dining at Tiffins and a wild ride on the Kilimanjaro Safaris. Let's go. We opted for standard parking today, which is currently $30. Preferred is closer, but we're up for the walk. And after parking in the butterfly section, yes, that's real, we made our way up to the front gates. It's about a 10-minute walk from the lot to the front gate, including security and ticket scans. From there, it's a peaceful stroll through the lush oasis, past exotic birds and waterfalls, and straight on to Discovery Island. Tiffins is just to the left of the Tree of Life, across from the entrance to Pandora. We checked in using my Disney Experience app, which lets you confirm the arrival without waiting at the host stand. This is not your typical theme park restaurant. Tiffins celebrates the spirit of exploration. Every room showcases real art and travel stories from the Imagineers who helped create Animal Kingdom. For lunch, we started with a wonderful beer curated especially for Disney and a glass of wine. While we did not try today, don't miss the bread service that is accompanied by flavorful dips from around the globe. For lunch, I ordered the steak salad, carrots, and cauliflower, and even in these simple dishes, the flavors were bold, elevated, and truly unforgettable. Tiffins also has great vegetarian options and a curated wine list, including African and South American selections. Dining at Tiffins is a journey in itself. With just over an hour left, we made our way to Africa for our lightning lane on Kilimanjaro Safaris. Along the way, we caught the Harambe Village Street Band. They always bring the energy. If you're short on time like we were, the lightning lane is a must. We booked it earlier through the reservation app for $15 to $20 per person. Our total wait time was 5 minutes, and it was worth every second. This ride is the crown jewel of Animal Kingdom. The 20-minute safari takes you through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Today we saw giraffes up close, black rhinos, elephants bathing, and even the lions lounging in the sun. safari isn't just about thrills, it's about conservation. Disney partners with global organizations through the Disney Conservation Fund, which has contributed over $100 million to protect wildlife in wild places. In just 3 hours, we dined at one of Disney's top restaurants, saw incredible wildlife, and soaked in the immersive magic of Animal Kingdom. With a little planning, even a short visit can be unforgettable. Can you do the entire park in 3 hours? I don't think so, but you can get a wonderful meal and wonderful sights. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever tried the 3-hour challenge, or if Tiffins is on your Disney foodie bucket list.